guys! And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a vision board. Yes, I know it's not January. Yes, like I said, I know it's not January, but for my IEB final in art, our topic is 2020 vision. Yeah. So I need to make a vision board for that anyway, and I feel like vision boards can happen at any point in the month because statistically, people who make goals in January do not stick to them. So I printed, these are the images that I've printed out. They'll be on the screen. And I've cut them out. Obviously I don't have footage of me cutting out every single one of said images because that would take 5 awkward minutes. And also if you have OCD, I'm very, very sorry. I don't cut very straight. I'm not going to show you every single image because you're going to see them in the final product, but I just thought I'd talk through some of the images that I have and try and explain, because a lot of them mean the same thing, and try to explain what they mean, and I thought it'd be a great way for you guys to get to know me a little bit. And then obviously you'll see me put the final product together, and yeah. Then you subscribe, damn it, come on! I don't think my body will ever look like this, and that is okay. But I want to put this in my vision board because I want to get healthier and go outside more and walk around more. Even though that I am like, I hate that. I hate it so much. But this is a reminder. So one of my main goals in life is obviously to be a full-time actress. Like I want to be on the cover of Vogue. And like, theatre has always been the one place that has made me feel happy. Like it's like the only place that I've ever been good at something. That's why I have this little piece of paper that says occupation actress, because that's my goal. I want to win an Oscar, I want to get a star, and then I've got some fun goals here where like I want to work in a haunted house for a while, like as an extra, and run around and be spoopy. Like I would love to do horror movies full time. I'd love that. So honestly, if I can go into like a niche acting, it would be horror movies. They're just so much fun. I've always wanted to be in a zombie show, zombie movie, either as a zombie extra or as like the person killing it. And The Walking Dead was one of the biggest inspirations. I have a massive love for zombies. If you want me to go more into that, let me know down in the comments. I've always wanted to be on a Nickelodeon show. Like, I know everyone wants to be on Disney, but I've never, like, Disney shows were so meh. I mean, I watched Hannah Montana as a kid, but, like, Nickelodeon and Cartoon Network, that is where the shit was at. I've always wanted to start a charity, so one day when I get really big and grown up, which is me now, but don't tell Jen. I want to start a charity, and my two main focuses in this world are animals and mental health. I want to get my driver's license because I'm in South Africa. You have to be 18, and I am 18, but I'm very scared. So I want to get my driver's license. So we got a cool chick with her car keys and some ripped jeans for that. I really want to be on a Netflix show. I feel like it's one of the more iconic things, and especially in South Africa. I want to win a Kids' Choice Award. Like, I think the ultimate would be to be slimed. I think that is amazing. Kids' Choice Award was like the first ever time that I came in contact with something like the Oscars, or like I loved it because I saw these people, and these are the people I looked up to getting these prizes, and it was just amazing. So yeah, so a lot of it is around like acting and famous and working on movie sets and stuff, but that's what I want to do. And I kind of summarized it up into these images because I don't have that much space in my journal. I know. So like obviously when you make a vision board, you want it somewhere that you can see it every day, and I have to go through my journal every day anyway, so I'll see all of these and hopefully they will manifest in my brain. Yeah, so now I'm going to stick it down. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked all my final product. If you have any goals and stuff and you want to let me know in the comments, and we can motivate each other, and maybe I can inspire you to make your own vision board. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment, or subscribe if you want to. I post every Wednesday. Bye!